Okay. I'm sorry you said that, Mr. Bowditch. Heather, review date, March 19th, what time?
9 a.m.
All right, Ms. Moore, I'm going to set you up for a review, March 19, 9 a.m.
Am I able to do a Zoom for sir? Me taking days off work and interview. I just started there. We can do 8 a.m. I mean, if she works.
What time do you work?
30.
I'll let you Zoom one time. I'm not making any promises beyond that. The only reason I'm giving you a chance to get on track is because your honesty right now. That's the only reason. I will give you grace if you screw up. I will not give you grace if you blow smoke up my ass. Don't screw up, because at some point my grace runs out too. But I understand, as well as somebody that doesn't fight the fight, I think I understand substance abuse. So I understand there's bumps in the road when you're trying to change your behaviors. I have yet to find a good excuse for me to get smoke up my ass. Deal?
Yeah.
All right, so zoom in on the 19th. Have good things to tell me. And we'll go from there. Hold on. I gotta say this, I'll forget. You're younger, you remember what you wanted to say. At this point, you have violated my probation. At this point, I'm not going to sanction that. If there are further violations, I will sanction, and those sanctions may be compounded by what's already happened. You understand that? Okay. So just because I'm not sanctioning you now doesn't mean this might not bite you in the butt later, but only if there's further problems. Your turn.
So did miss my work program on February 2nd. Right now, my grandfather, he's actually transitioning today. So I've been dealing.
Good luck. Good luck.
Going into hospice.
Yeah, he's in hospice, so he's doing a transition today. So I did miss, but I am able to go instead of from moving forward.
Reschedule the work program, and I'm not gonna, well, once again, I won't sanction. Deal? Okay, good luck. Good luck with your grandpa. Who's next, Mr. Bowder?
Matthew, you're on?
Matthew?
I'm sorry to interrupt. We have to go.
All right.
So.
Huron, have fun.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Thanks for waiting, especially.
Not here.
Rough crowd, I should have passed out of business cards.
All right, I've got Miss Matthews' file.
You're on 3.57 for a sentencing of Ms. Matthew. Your Honor, I have received the PSI. I have reviewed the PSI. We did find it factually accurate.
Good.
With one addition, and that is, she is now employed.
Beautiful,
Bigby, the coffee place.
beautiful.
BIGTBE, the coffee place in South. We like it.
How many hours a week?
Record, Ms. Tillo, with your permission now?
How many hours a week you getting?
I haven't even really technically started. I haven't worked my first day, but only when my daughter's at school. So
Okay.
it's not work.
What are you thinking? You get 20 hours a week, 30 hours a week, maybe?
Probably 20.
All right. Go ahead, Mr. Bowditch.
Your Honor, other than that, we find it factually accurate. We would ask the court to respectfully adopt the recommendations of probation.
All right. All right, Ms. Matthew, anything you want to add? Don't feel that you have to. All right. I'm going to go along with the recommendations of probation. I will adopt in full the recommendations you went over with your attorney. That means items 1 through 10 are now court order. That includes the 20 hours of community service at some registered 501c3 nonprofit registered as such with the IRS. Fines and costs on the file, $1,300. Can you pay it today? Go downstairs. They'll tell you what your options are. Any questions? Good luck. Next one.
Federal Fest. This girl that you said to finish 2 days, next Thursday, Friday, are we just closing it after that?
Yeah, she started, well, except for the one.
She paid.
Yeah.
I think she paid in full.
Was that a delays? Yeah, she said. So no, we're still running, we're running a time frame, but that didn't even look.
I'm pretty sure we already convicted him.
Oh, is she the one?
Shaw,
Yeah. She's already, conviction's already on there.
So 2 days close out.
Yeah, who's next? Yes, Vanessa.
Last one, Your Honor, is Mr. Sportel Scott. Is the last one I.
All right, Mr. Scott, I got a file here, May 4th, 2024, drinking and driving. Go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Judge Bowden, sitting on behalf of Mr. Scott. Mr. Scott, could you tell Judge your name, record, please?
Yeah, Oriel Scott.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date time set for a violation of probation. The initial comment was the defendant was arrested in West Bloomfield. I believe that was on a warrant for an offense that occurred prior to him being on probation.
That correct, sir?
Last year.
Yes.
Okay,
It was a charge from May of last year.
okay.
So I don't believe that's a violation of the court.
You got a court case next week on that one? February 20?
Mistake.
Good luck. All right.
Other than that, Your Honor, he has done the work program, he is paid in full. He did get an evaluation. He hasn't attended any treatment. I'm not sure that he has received what the evaluation is recommending, but he looked at the evaluation.
Mhm.
By the way, it has really nothing to do with alcohol or anything like that. It's for mostly
Yep, I saw it.
bit of anxiety.
Where'd you do the evaluation at, sir?
Mine. In Detroit, MIND.
Never heard of them. Okay. And they recommended treatment. Have you started that follow-up?
Sure,
I'm not sure they've communicated that with you.
Yeah. So here's what I've got. The evaluation recommended that you obtain treatment for anxiety and poor decision making. Sounds like a good idea. All right.
And he is prepared to follow those recommendations.
Okay.
Supposing everything else is complete, Your Honor.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you 30 days to get, and I'm not going to give you a review date because I don't want you to have to come in to do this. Just send an email. I'm going to give you 30 days to send us documentation that you're following up on that recommendation, whether or not you've started classes, you've started a program, or you've got a program on the books, but it just had, it doesn't start till the end of March or whatever. Deal?
If you can get into that, we anticipate 9 months to be able, so we maybe can get off probation.
Okay. Anything else?
Nothing, Your
All
Honor.
right. Good luck, Mr. Scott.
Thank you, Your
You're
Honor.
welcome. All right. Who are these folks?
Pretty lot for a sentencing.
Lawton?
Yes.
Come on up.
But please state your name. Correctly, sir.
Thank you.
This date and time set for sentencing. I did have a chance to review the pre-sentencing investigation report. Outside of the victim statement, maybe I'm not going to open my case for today. I think there may be a few details that may have been added to the victim statement that I don't really remember seeing in discovery. So I don't think it's really a factual correction or deletion, just
Right.
everything else in there looks accurate. But we already agree with that. Yes. Mr. Lawton doesn't have any concerns. I don't have any worries about his ability to comply with the required conditions. So we would ask the court humbly to adopt the recommendation. I think it's a 24-month recommendation. I don't see anything that would make him ineligible for an early termination so long as he fully complied and had no violations.
Okay.
And just with the TVs, we had a few of those conditional pleas where it was to be no early termination. I'm not seeing that on.
I don't think so.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's why I was guessing the backstop was 24 months.
Okay.
Mr. Lawton, he says that you don't have to say anything, but is there anything that you don't say or feel that we let you know? Okay, should be good.
Was this a delayed sentence?
So I tried to look up the case. Maybe here's what I can do.
I don't know if it was.
Or I'm sorry that we pled on.
What date, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, he knows. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, I'll see what I can, I bet I can remember.
Heather, can you confirm that or deny it? Was it supposed to be a delayed sentence though? Because I don't have any notes that it was.
No,
No,
I don't think it
it
was.
wasn't. It was a regular.
Straight plea. Yeah. Yeah.
So, It was a couple dismissals
Okay,
due to insufficiency, and then we reached that agreement. So no, there would be
Okay.
no reason that he would go with early termination. I mean, everything that would allow him to do early terminations in his hands, not part of the plea.
okay. Anything else, gentlemen, before I sentence? That was a no for the record.
Yeah, typo, sorry. You just say.
I see it, but there you go. All right, Mr. Lawton, I'm going to go ahead and adopt the recommendation. I'm going to put you on probation for 24 months. 1 through 11 were recommendations. You went over those with Mr. Hadley. Those are now court ordered. Fines and costs total $1,200. Can you pay that today? Downstairs, we'll tell you what your options are. Any questions? Good luck.
If you're gonna do things, you have to.
Yeah, I mean, well, I'm sure it comes to sure. But, there's the way, I'm not supposed to. Looking at the cares. Communication is. So it's something really should be, great, but. Just,
Tony, I'm doing some bench warrants on some of these show causes.
it's just transparency. Okay, what you, 230, 521, 0584. That's when I hit this river channel earlier.
All right, man. Just make sure you downstairs. Go.
All right, look at it. You too.
Josh, if you give me a couple minutes, I'd like to talk to you about something else.
All right.
Shut down.
Everybody kill